Hi! Welcome to Cengage. I'm Victoria, and I'm going to help you get the most out of Cengage so that you can have your best and most rewarding term yet. You've already taken a major first step by deciding to use a Cengage digital solution in your classroom. Now, we want to help ensure that you're confident, prepared, and heck, downright excited to dive into digital on your first day of class. And the best way to start? A digital solutions team member will reach out to you. They will be your partner the entire time you're using your Cengage digital solution. They will collaborate with you, working to build and personalize your course, aligning it with the way you teach. They will even point you to peer-led webinars and step-by-step guides that will walk you through best practices, tips, and tricks. We have videos, blog posts, and more. You can also join our online faculty community for feature updates, articles on the latest teaching trends, and advice from colleagues. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to our US-based support team. The team is always available 24/7 whenever you need it. Thank you for joining us. We are excited to be your partner on this digital journey.